Hi guys, welcome to the kitchen culture. Today I am making fettuccine and almond basil pesto. Let's start by salting a boiling pot of water. In goes 150 grams of fettuccine. While the pasta is boiling, let's move on to making the pesto. Here I have 1.5 cups of loosely packed Italian basil, 15 almonds, 5 whole peppercorns, 3 garlic cloves. Transfer all of this to a blender. Add 1 teaspoon salt along with 1/3 cup of extra virgin olive oil. I like my pesto to have a slight bite to it, and this is what it looks like. Let's move on to assembling the pasta. To a mixing bowl, I am adding the fettuccine straight from the pot. I am not going to subject a prepared pesto to the flame as basil tends to turn bitter. Add the prepared pesto. Grate some Parmesan cheese. And add cherry tomato halves. Using tongs, toss until fettuccine is well coated with the pesto. Drizzle with some more olive oil and serve.